Okay, I'm getting ready to install a secure Tron mag lock on a gate in Florida. And of course I got a face shield. I got all my Ryobi tools. Got to pre-drill some holes here. Got to get my Ryobi cordless jigsaw set up, and I cut the hole in there. And there's wires in there. Yeah, sometimes you nick them. That's okay. But we fit the hole. I didn't show you the part where I had to grind a little bit and use my file, pre-drilling the holes, put in the screws, put the screws in. Now I'm going to wire it up. I'm going to get everything ready here, get the strike plate on there. I use clamps a lot too. You're going to see me use a clamp right here once I try it. Yes, it's energized, and boom, yes, it works. And I clamp it into place. Didn't really show you how I measured to get the accuracy on the fabrication plate. And it's a little bit out of sequence. That's me fabricating the plate. Okay, drilling the holes. I clamped it down. And doesn't take me very long. I think I spent probably hour and a half to install this. Okay, it had a surface mount gate on there, surface mount mag lock on there before. And I'm just finishing up, and pretty much we're done.